This paper from Harvard and Berkeley wants to solve RAG problems for structured databases. Presenting TAG, Table Augmented Generations. TAG proposes an architecture that handles a broader range of natural language queries, including those requiring word knowledge or semantic reasoning, unlike traditional RAG, which mainly chooses specific data points for retrieval. TAG uses the language model's understanding to answer questions that need more context than just a database structure. This means it can answer questions that require the deep understanding of how the data is defined and connected. But how does TAG work? Let us understand that with its architecture. TAG's architecture is divided into three parts: query synthesis, query executions, and answer generation. Query synthesis, as its name suggests, creates a SQL queries out of natural language prompts. For example, if you prompted, summarize the reviews of the highest grossing romance movie that are considered classics, the language model would then divide the prompt into three sections: highest grossing, romantic movies, and movies that are released a few years ago that are considered classics. Using these three knowledge, TAG would create a SQL query that looked like this. Now, query execution. For these steps, they utilize DBMS to retrieve the relevant data. The database query engine handles all the heavy lifting, such as filtering and ranking based on a given query. Once the relevant data is retrieved, it is then sent to language model for answer generation. The language model processes the retrieved data and the user's original query to generate the final natural language response. But how is TAG better than other approaches? Let's understand from the numbers. While evaluating TAG, they found out that TAG achieved up to 65% higher accuracy than baseline methods like text-to-SQL and RAG. Not only that, they didn't even come close to exceeding 20% accuracy in answering the benchmark queries. The modified queries require knowledge beyond the database and should be able to perform extensive tasks like reasoning as well, which the baseline approaches were not able to achieve. But overall, I think this is an interesting approach. I hope you like this approach. If you did, please share so that more people can learn about it. Also, I cover the latest updates on RAG and agentic use cases. Follow for more.